Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree, yeah. Right up front, right? We already grabbed this, the oven mitt. I feel like it's been forever since I've been in here. I'm excited. Oh, these are big, the watermelon chair pads. What's this one? Oh yeah, they're nice. Let me pull this out. I felt like I was missing one. Oh yeah, oh okay, they match these right here. All right now. Yes, on the Sweet Freedom. That is actually cute. I really like that. In the cart. Here's Oh My Stars. Oh, that one is cute too. And Stars and Stripes. No, this one is my fave. Yeah, we did see all of this. Okay, so I wasn't missing too much. Oh, nice. A couple things I didn't see. I feel like I saw the yellow. That was a couple weeks ago. Here's the pink one. I didn't see that. A couple frames. The birds are back. I do rock these on the ladder. I don't have any pink ones, just the white ones. Yes, on that. These are candle holders. Oh, very rustic. I like that. So the short ones and the tall ones. Oh, these are big. I have this too. Yeah. Oh, they're so pretty. What's this rocking? Are these $5? I know this isn't $1.25. I can't even see. I think so. The packaging is fire, right? It's like a paisley on top. White sandalwood. Citrus bliss. I was going to say April. Apple blossom. And aloha. Aloha hibiscus. They all smell nice except that aloha hibiscus is not rocking. Oh, the mom wine bags. Now these are pretty. Yes on that. Is it different ones? Let me see. Oh, the flowers and oh, happy Mother's Day with the glitter. Oh, it's 4 of them. Love you, Mom. Oh, so pretty. These are back. Brave, strong love with the beads at the bottom. It's this color. Oh, you're the best. The candles are here. These are pretty. Lavender, a coconut, and what's this green one? Mint. Oh, it's one more. What's that say? Oh, it's Miss Girl. It's upside down. Berry mandarin. Let me see. This one had the strongest scent. It smells good. These are all very light, but this one was the strongest. Oh, nice. So here's the pink one. I never saw that one. I feel like this is the one I have. It's a cream or is it a white? This is cream. I think that's the one I have, but I haven't seen the pink one. Nice. Oh, that is adorable. The tea, the crinkle toy, the peanut butter and jelly. Look at the peanut. That is funny. That is funny. That is so darn cute by Be Pure. Oh, the rattle with the rings too, BPA free. I haven't seen Paw Patrol. Here's Elmo and Cookie up here. Yeah, that is cute. Let me tell you how I'm loving this. This one is my fave. It mixes so well with my Dove. Oh my goodness, it lathers really good when I mix it together and it smells amazing. I am loving this. Definitely my fave. Oh nice, softy with the soft waves, aloe vera and honey extract. And what's this one? Jamaican black castor and flaxseed. This is a styling gel. Yes on that. Oh, and the olive oil is here. Maximum hold styling gel. They got it going on. Let me do a quick. I feel like it's been so long since I've been in here. All right, not too much on a return. Oh, wait a minute. Revlon Color Stay Light Cover Foundation. This is 12. This is the only one I see too. The only shade, so that's rock. Miss Girl, what's wrong? And I almost dropped it. What is wrong with me? I'm like, this is number 12. That's for 12 hours. Oh my goodness. So this one is 510, I feel like, right? Yeah, here they go, darker. Oh my goodness. This one is 350, 550. 550 on that. This is 430. This was the one that I picked up originally. Okay. Like I feel like I would be in between these two. But yeah, those are the shades. Oh my goodness. I was like, wait a minute. They all say 12. Girl. Oh, nice. The mini ice cube trays. That is mini. Look how tiny those holes are. So the red, the green, the blue is rocking. Oh yeah, that's really nice. I think I want one in the cart. So I think when I saw this, it was the oven mitt. I feel like bake it till you make it. I'ma grab the pot holders now in the cart. All right, quick and fast, right? The mini trays, they are cute. I put all three in there, right? The kitchen towel and the pot holders. Yes. I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Oh nice, the watermelon lip collection. That's fire. The lip oil, right? This is Be Pure. The lip oil, the lip sugar scrub, and the lip scrubber. That is cute. I feel like there was something watermelon going on last year, but I don't remember. That is nice. Let me just pick it on up in the cart. Oh, these bags are under here. These aren't new, right? I feel like. I don't even remember now. Let me see. Yeah, I don't remember those. So yeah, that's rocking. Yes. Oh, nice. I didn't realize they had the bag clips for the Eagles. I grabbed the Phillies ones too. In the cart. Oh, here we go. One and only argan oil. It's a cream cleanser with peptide complex. So that's rocking. Yeah, we saw the oils, I feel like, a couple weeks ago. The peppermint and the lavender. Oh, remember when I was getting ready for the cruisy cruise? They didn't have the nighttime one. This is compared to NyQuil. Yes, on that. I only picked up the day one. I mean, I just need it in the house, period. And hubby was asking for this the other night. Girl, Be Pure is over here rocking with all this plump and glossy lip balm. Just click, it says. This is the watermelon one. I see magenta. Are these the ones we saw last time? I'm not even sure now. These are the only two I see, though. Oh, look at this blush. That's different. The packaging is actually nice. It reminds me of deodorant, I feel like. Revitalizing stick. It has vitamin E in it. That is actually pretty. Raspberry. I think that's the only one. Let me check. Yeah, it was one more. The rose. This one was all the way in the bag. I had to take them all off and put them all back. Oh my goodness. So yes, on that, I'm gonna grab one of each. And Miss Girl, look at the highlighter in golden. Oh my goodness, it's a whole thing. Is this the only one? Let me see. No, it's a champagne rocking. Revitalizing stick. All of them have the vitamin E in it. Yes, in the cart. So here we go on the bronzer, the soft tan, and the deep tan. All of this came out while I was in the ocean. Miss Girl, in the cart. I'm having fun in this aisle. Look at the toenail clippers, the cherry ones. Is that it? No, I see strawberry back there. Those are the only two. Those are the only two I see. Oh my goodness. In the cart. Oh, that's cute. Like Pretty Woman, Pretty Mini. I think I just saw it. Hold on. I put them side by side. Pretty Woman and Pretty Mini. That is cute. I just pulled these down. They were right next to the toenail clippers. So the hat, right, is rocking. The nail files, the cactus, the boot. That is cute. And self-care. Oh, that's super cute. And the cart. I had to pull it off because I couldn't even read it. Cactus water. This is a 2-pack. Weightless moisture. Oh, a clear deep conditioner. Can 2, shea butter for natural hair. Sweat protection, style saver, made with charcoal. Oh, you better stop it on that. No sulfates, all the nose is rocking. Wow. So it's 2 packs in here. And the Kalahari, isn't that how you say it? I feel like melon oil, shields and replenishes. So this is for color treated hair. So it's 2 packs in here too. You better stop it on that. Rosemary and mint scalp and hair oil in the cart. I'm still on the floor. One and only argan oil color oasis smoothing conditioner is here. And then this one, oh yeah, the mask, revitalizing hydrating mask. One and only. Yeah, I haven't seen. Why? Oh, you know what it is? I remember the tiny bottle. I don't remember what it was, but I kept saying to myself, this is so familiar to me. That's why. Okay, and I've never seen this one before. So yes, on that. I am gonna pick this up in the cart. Let me take a quick peek. Hold on. Willy Wonka. That's new to me. Bluey. I feel like the kids' socks are mixed in here. All right, I'm good to go. I am gonna grab a couple of the whole grain brown rice here. Yeah, in the cart. Oh yeah, it was the oven mitt. I saw what it was. Okay, good. So now I have them both. I saw the yellow, new larger size, and the bamboo cutting board. All right, I'm good to go. Let me see what's rocking. So the rice, right? I grabbed this set for you, the lip oil and scrub and things. I grabbed this for me. Yes. Oh yeah, here it is right here. Yes, on this. I can't wait to use this scalp and hair oil. I'm excited about it. So the bronzer, the blush, and the highlighter, right? One for me, one for you is in here. We're gonna both self-care. Yes, I grabbed the Eagles clips, right? Some toenail clippers. I think that's it. You guys, I'm gonna link the cruise video at the end here. Yes, go check it out. We had so much fun. Oh my goodness. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.